Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out these channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Today, I'm going to be making a super easy, super delicious side dish to go with the steak dinner that I'm fixing for dinner this evening. For our recipe today, we're only going to need 3 ingredients. We're going to need 2 cans of beans. We're going to need some minced garlic and some grated Parmesan. You can use the canned Parmesan or the regular. We are going to pour the juice off of these beans, but we're not going to rinse them. I'm going to add about 2 cloves of minced garlic to my skillet. We're also going to need about a half a cup of broth for this recipe. I'm using chicken. We'll heat this garlic in the skillet for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add in my beans, and I'm going to add in my half a cup of chicken broth. I'm going to stir in the beans, the chicken broth, and the garlic until it comes to a simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Make sure to stir the beans occasionally while they're simmering. It has been 10 minutes and our beans have absorbed all of the chicken broth and they're nice and thick. And now we're going to add in some black pepper. Just add as much or little as you would like. And we're going to add in our grated Parmesan cheese. Once again, add as much or little as you would like. The recipe calls for 1/3 cup, but you can always add more if you want to. We're going to mix this in, and this is going to be such a wonderful, delicious side dish. And there we have it. Our beans are done and ready to serve. I have put these wonderful Parmesan beans in the slow cooker just to keep them warm until dinner time. They smell so good when I pick up the lid. I am so glad you were here. I had such a wonderful time participating in this really fun collaboration. I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the other channels participating in this collaboration. They'll be listed below. I'll see you next time.